Okay, so here is the punch press. I'm going to go ahead and detail all the different adjustments that are on it. And I've already punched a few treads so far. And we've got tread bands that are cut for the 4.5 inch width. And I've got the center to center hole distance at 3 inches and 1 inch down from the top edge of the tread band. So let's go through it. This is considered the front of the machine. We've got these side pieces here that can slide within these slots. So you're going to adjust these according to the width of the tread band that you've cut from the setting you've got on the tread band cutter. So you'll want to position these so that you can slide in a tread band easily and make sure that these sides center this tread band for you. They can move like this, and they can also move like this. These are the unit punches. These contain the actual punch and die that create the holes in the treads. They are bolted to this base plate here. I've cut out a series of holes such that if you use a pin, you can locate the unit punches at a predetermined distance apart from each other. However, you don't have to. You can leave the pin out and move these exactly where you want them to punch the holes that you want them to. Right now, I've got this hole set up for the 4.5 inch width setting, which is what's going to come set on the tread band cutter you're getting. And I've got the 3 inch center distance on the holes. This whole unit right here, so these unit punches, are bolted and secured at the back. So once you have these set, you'll tighten these bolts for each unit, and that's what holds these in place. This is the ram brace, so if you need to move these out, you just slide these underneath this brace so that you push both of these down simultaneously. If you so desired that you wanted to put only one hole into these tread bands, you can absolutely do so. Just remove one of these, put this one, clock it into the center position, or move these off to the side, and bam, you can set yourself up to just do one hole at a time if you want to. This ram can slide according to the center of pressure that you want with your setup. So right now, if you notice, we've got the piston at the center of pressure relative to the 2 unit punches. We've got ours hooked up to air right now. So let's go ahead and do one. I also forgot, down here is a sliding bump stop. There is a finger between the 2 unit punches right now, and you can slide that finger back and forth to change the distance from the top edge of the tread down along the length of the tread band where you want the holes punched. And right now I've got set for 1 inch down from the top, which is the closest setting you can get. So you can move that finger back and essentially increase the distance from the top edge to the center holes, the center of the holes. You can put the holes down here if you wanted to. So here we go. Turn this knob clockwise to lock it. Slide in the tread band. Make sure you hit the bump stop. Press the trigger. Once you hear the punches have done their job, you do not have to bottom out the top plates. You can stop. You don't have to go all the way down. In fact, I recommend not to. Stop before it's too late so that you still have a gap right there. You've punched through it, so don't worry. So then, after you've punched through, rotate this counterclockwise to release pressure. Slip it out, and there you go. These unit punches you can buy different dies to punch smaller or larger holes, we can get those ordered through Unipunch themselves. And that's it.